back to my Almost YouTube channel. Today we're going to be painting a dog. So this is all the supplies you'll be needing today. Well, I almost said meeting. Okay, so grab your supplies. The white I'm using is just called white. And the black I'm using is black. I'm using the board I used for my other video I made. This one's called Melted Chocolate. Okay, and now I'll also tell you what glitter we're using. This is gold. Let's see. It looks like fur, and then there's a black, which is ebony, which means black. I didn't have a white, so yeah. Okay, so you can pour white first if you're doing it like me. I'm gonna paint the whole thing with white first. Oh, you can. Okay, so I'm moving those up there. Okay, I'm gonna move these two aside for now because I don't need them right now, but you can get your brush wet and then wipe some of that water off. And then you can use white. And then you can paint the whole thing with it. Don't worry, unless you're using bright colors, then you'll probably won't have to do this, but I want to do this because, you know, I like how it looks. And my Oma, she said I could do it like this, so I am. Yeah. This dog is a type of dog that has brown, white, black, and then brown. That's its pattern. I'm not going to be painting it. You should go check out my other video I made. It's called How to Make a Paper Pal. It's FNAF based. Yeah. Paper pals are off of FNAF, if you didn't know. Oh, I need more white paint. Hold up. I gotta put some more white paint. I'm moving the white paint aside right now, but farted. Was trying to help me, but then it falling off, so I didn't really need help. Yeah. Also, guys, this bead is for its eye. Also, I found this at Dollar Tree. I found it. Oma was looking for words to put in her crafts. And I found this dog and I was like, can I paint these? She said, yeah. So, it stuck to my finger. Trying to paint this fast. I love cats and dogs. Mostly cats, but I do like dogs too. And I love foxes more. Don't ask why, they're just really cute to me. Okay, I'm almost done. Just need to do this real quick. Okay. there's like a black stripe here. Probably do another coat on the black, but a small section of brown right there. Chocolate brown. Melted chocolate brown. Didn't brown always look like chocolate? Like if you just shaped it like a chocolate bar? Okay, I'm gonna rinse this off now. Okay, so that was the wrong brush. Take this one. This is also stained from the other video, but that's okay. So I think the black is dried. Brush so it doesn't take that long. Might need some more black. It's okay. Hi, we're back and the paint is dry. So now I'm going to be making some glitter. Okay, the glue I'm using is called Mosh Podge. And this is not paint, I just put it in here so it would be easier because I have a big brush. And yeah. So the first one I'm going to be using is called Ebony, it means black. So now I'm gonna take my brush and get some glue on there, and then you hurry, fastly put it on. I'm gonna take this, just sprinkle some of this on there. Okay, so that is good for black. What's going on? Also, I have 3 pieces of paper right here, so I can just remove the paper. Then I'm gonna do the butt. This is the closest thing we have to this because they don't really make brown glitter. Okay, now this one is called Snow. It's the white. It's just white. It's called Snow though. Okay, I'm going to be doing the front of his head. Well, his head, just his head. I'm trying. Okay, guys, it's not fully dry, but I'm going to put the eye on. I'm just gonna pop the eye on after I put some glue on it. I'm just gonna. I'm wiping glue on the bottom of it. Yeah, wipe some glue on it. I want it like right there. Let's hope that stays. I have this on my hands now. Please like and subscribe and have a wonderful everything after this dries. I'm just kidding. Have a wonderful everything. And
Make sure to
this,
check out more of our videos.
yes, this was the result. Yes, check out more of our videos. Glitter.
Ooh, check more out of Ella's videos.
And my paper pal video. How I worked hard on that.